Today we'll be solving this one Rubik's Cube anywhere around our neighborhood. But if we get a +2, we'll do another 100 solves. The scramble will be on screen for anybody who wants to try to scramble with us. Let's start with the cross. Now let's solve first pair. Let's solve the third pair. Let's solve the third pair. Now we are going to solve fourth pair. Okay guys, this is the last part, and if we get a +2 on this last PLO, we have to do an extra 100 solves. So let's get right into it. Dang it! But you know what? We're not even gonna do the 100 solves. Goodbye. But if you really want to see us solve 1,000 cubes in the park, make sure to subscribe and watch it in November.